Hey guys, it's a beautiful Thursday today in Chiang Mai. So we're gonna start off here today. The goal of our day, go by foot, see some temples, eat some food, and check out the inner city. All right, so let's go. Now we're starting here in Wat Phra Singh. This is the most, I think probably the central one, maybe the one people like to go to. It's got this huge gold chetty here, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, so I just crushed that little brekkie brunch. Just gonna go down the main road here. We're gonna do like little squares. So we're gonna go down and see next couple of temples. Look at this beauty here. Check out this place. A lot of artwork. Have a look. The name of it there is says Kaew Gallery. I don't know what that is. Class or whatever. This place I've always noticed it. It looks very beautiful. If you guys do want some handmade art, take home or whatever. Yeah, this is the place here. Always got the Zohng towels. You can ride a bike. You can get a bike if you want. I got electric scooters too. But yeah, if you have your own motorbike, that's the best. Shop here in the day. Noodle soup, Thai food. As old as the day is long here. So definitely on this corner seems to have really cute little shops here, really traditional shops. They're closed up at night, so they just sell lunch during the day for all of us temple goers. All right. So let's check out this temple here, and then the Three Kings Monument's just to the left of us. This temple here is very nice. It's black and wooden. And it's actually right beside the cultural center of Chiang Mai and the Three Kings Monument. So this one's a nice one to go into and check it out. Alright, so if you guys are just passing through the inner city here, this is the Three Kings Monument. Only noteworthy thing during the New Year's and during Loi Krathong, any other sort of really big festival, they always have like lots of stuff going on here in the Three Kings Monument, the square here. Nice little shady spot. Kind of like a community park at night. There's kids skateboarding here. People kind of hanging out on their breaks. Little snapshot here. Chiang Mai. Just seen this hotel. I'm gonna check out the prices for us. See what's going on. They have a balcony. It's in the city. Within everything. So we will see. Ahan chow no. Maybe put it right. Maybe put some pool looks nice.
Huh?
Some pool do สวยเนาะ
Yes มีค่ะ Family room
Yeah, so
พัก
it's
ได้3 ท่าน Family room
so same style. Yeah, nice. Good. Yeah, that's big. Nice and big. Thank you.
ค่ะเดินดู
Have the little balcony there for us, eh? Yeah, nice. Not see too much, but big enough for everything. Good view. Very nice. ขอบคุณค่ะแล้วก็ห้องน้ำ Oh yeah, very nice. Nice and renovated. This the single room here, the king size. ค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ Yeah, still nice. Nice and check out the little balcony here. Good. Soy ka. Yeah, very nice. TV.
สไลด์
Yeah, done it up nice. ห้องน้ำสวยด้วย Very good. Okay, ขอบคุณค่ะ Swim pool here. Very nice. Nice and private. Yeah, that's beauty. Go check out the swim pool here. ขอบคุณค่ะ สบายเนาะ เย็น Alright, so Momo Hotel. And we are back on the back here on the road here where Singh is. You can see it's not very good today, but there it is. Isn't she a beaut? Along these roads they have lots of massage shops. This one's kind of special. It's got lots of awards. So again, it kind of starts nice, 350 baht. You did a special one, 700 baht. So we'll see here. There's tons to choose from. Yeah, tons on this road. Really nice. This one, it says it's for ex-inmates. So again, yeah, helping out the community. That's great. This one here is Baan Lanna, which means Lanna house. It's got all the favorites here. Khao soy, pad thai. Yeah, it looks nice. Oh, your 89 baht breakfast here, right on the corner of the Wat Phra Singh. What a beautiful view. Alright guys, so that takes us to the end of our video. If you liked it, give it a big like and subscribe. Thank you for everything, as always. Bringing it to you, and see you guys in the next episode. Alright, bye for now. See ya.